So I'm going to start Open PE first off by apologizing for the dog noises. It's 13 weeks old and I physically cannot control him. And so we're going to start this video off. This is a great website for all my coworkers or anyone who's interested in doing different activities with kids that are structured based. So this website, it allows me to go through grade by grade. And so I teach physical education K through 5. So I teach primary physical education modules and intermediate. But I like intermediate because there's a little bit more options for kids. And it'll take us to this part of the page. And I know coming up at the end of the year, I'm going to do a field day. So I'm going to go ahead and click on a field day. Let's scroll back on down. And this is great because it breaks it up into different areas. So there's individual, relay, team, and water, which I do not trust my kids with water challenges. So I'm not even going to look at any of those games. I may look at them to get some ideas that maybe don't involve the water, but I definitely will not add the water. Let's go ahead and just look at the grand prize. This is great because on this, it shows us on this page that what the activity is going to look like set up, the teaching cues, where the student targets are. So personal and social responsibility, which is huge with my kids. Responsibility. I cannot say it enough throughout the school day. How to set it up, what equipment you need. So this is great because you can make an easy checklist off of this. It even says what modifications we can make down here. And I like this as a first year teacher because it says what standards, so I don't even have to think or go look up all these different standards because I don't know them yet. So this is great because it tells me exactly what it does and where to find it. And we can even go back to the main page. And there's even professional development. We can go ahead and click that. And there's different professional development webinars that you can watch on this website. And you can even choose what area you'd like to watch them in. So if you do like an after school program, you don't want to necessarily do the same activities you do with them, like per se during class time. And so this is definitely a huge program in my life.